Hi everyone, my name is Bharat Patidar. I am working in the TCS as a Salesforce developer role. Before joining TCS, I was working as a drafting engineer, but my expectation was always to work in the IT field. So one of my friends suggested me about Salesforce and recommend CRS Info Solutions. With his recommendations, I joined CRS Info Solutions. The entire training program was around 3 months, and where I get a chance to learn about Salesforce admin and Salesforce development part. The best part of this program was that after completion of each topic, we got assignments and also mini projects. So these things helped me a lot to build up my confidence and got a job. If anyone want to switch their career in the Salesforce, I would like to recommend please join CRS Info Solutions. Thank you.